What is up, YouTube? Welcome. Good morning. I am so happy you guys stopped by. We are off to a good start today, ladies and gentlemen. I am headed to a city, Beloit, Wisconsin, which is like, I don't know, 20 minutes away, something like that. And I'm going to be picking up a HTC Vive, I think Gen 1, complete inbox, used VR set. Gentleman selling it for $205. I found it on Marketplace. I am shocked that it is still, that he has it at that price. That's ridiculously low. I actually have some HTC Vive components in my store right now that I purchased a couple years ago. And it just sat in a box forever, years. And I finally pulled it out like a month ago, listed it, and a lot of the parts have been selling so fast, dude. It's been selling like wildfire, and for pretty expensive too. This bundle, I could sell it complete for like $400 or $500, or breaking up the parts, it goes to like $600, $650, something like that. And the one I'm about to get, it's generally the same, but it doesn't have the base point. It doesn't have the base stations 2.0, it's base stations 1.0, which makes it the value like $150 less than the $500-$600 one. But I still believe, though, if I break up all the components and list them individually, that will probably be able to list like $400 or $500. I'm looking to double my money and looking to do it quick. I'm going to list all the parts right away today. It's beautiful because I mainly have all the listings done already. I just have to, sell similar and, just change any of the details that need to be changed, which will be very minuscule. And I think I can get most of those parts popped off today, because I'm going to go in, I'm going to look at what the market's going for, look at the sell-through rate, look at the prices it's selling for, and I'm going to drop it, $5 under what everyone else is dropping for a quick sale. I'll pass on some of the savings, given that I got it for such a good deal. So let's see how that deal goes. Waiting for the wife to come out so we can leave, and I'll let you know how it goes. See you in a little bit. All right, family, we are back. Welcome back to the Pokey House, the reselling house, whatever you want to call it. But guys, good news. The deal was successful. Let me show you real quick. Bada bing, bada boom. New HTC Vive set right here. Let me take y'all to the couch real quick so I can show you what I. So here it is right here. This is actually my second one that I have in stock right now, and I picked this up because I bought one of these, like I said, years ago, and I just had it sitting. I had it sitting upstairs in a box because I was like, oh, do I want to use it, whatever. But why would I do that when I got my own PSVR? There it is. Let's see. Shoo, up there. Do I use it that often? No, but I have it. But I definitely don't need this, and I don't like that you need like a computer, dude. I'm not like a big computer guy. I actually buy new computers, and I fry them like once a year. Again, right there, right under the PSVR is my badass laptop that is no longer working. I don't know what I did. I messed it up when I started doing YouTube. Probably didn't know how to upload a video properly, but whatever. Short story long, I am not a computer guy, and this requires a computer. I can do the PSVR, man. That's easy. All I need is a PS4. It's back there. I promise. It's back there. There it is, amongst all the Pokemon. Look at my entertainment center. This is horrible. This is horrible. I'm telling you, man. Pokemon cards everywhere. Pokemon everywhere. And that is my entertainment center. Gosh. How impressive, looking at it like that. All that together. It looks cool. So I was looking through the camera with you guys, man. It looks pretty neat. Anyways, back to the Vive. We got it right here. And again, I paid $205 for this Vive. It's kind of around what I paid for the other one. But when I listed the whole thing, my other one I had, man, I could have sold it for $500. But the problem was that I had base stations 2.0 when I needed the base stations 1.0 for the Gen 1 headset, which I believe this also is. I don't think it's one of the newer ones, which is fine. I wasn't thinking that it was, so that's all good, man. That's all good. Okay. Whoa. Don't need them falling over. Let's go. All right. So we have this, and we're gonna open her up, and we're gonna go over to our unboxing. Now we're gonna do an unboxing video. I'm just kidding. All right. What's all that? Get started. Is there paperwork in there? It's kind of cool. Ooh, I like. I mean, honestly, man, I wish I did know how to set this up, and I wish I felt more confident hooking this up to my computer, but I really don't. So, all right, here's what we got. Inside, we have the headset. And again, I think this is the version 1, like I had before. Yes, it is the version 1, because you can tell, I think, because it just has the one camera. So this I have listed on my eBay right now alone for, I think, 200 bucks. But since I got another one at a good price, I'm probably going to lower it to like 175 and see if that'll do. Because I did see some sales at the $200 price point, but I'm still holding on to it. So we're gonna probably drop that and also drop this one since I have another one, just to get some sales moving, get some money moving. Also, what's really cool, guys, is this is kind of hard to see, but it's one of these right here, the foam part that actually goes on your face, right? This part. Sorry, guys, I'm filming with one hand and trying to show you guys. I'm trying to do it effectively and efficiently, and then also. Then you get this guy. This is the link, and if you put this with the charger, this is what the PSVR headset goes into on this side, and then that side like goes into your computer or TV or whatever. But this alone with the power cord is like another 60, 70 bucks, right? So we're at like 220, roughly 200. All right, and then we have our controllers, and they're looking really nice. The guy said that he lives in like a 1-bedroom apartment. He had it hooked up. He loves it and everything. He just does not have the space. It's sitting in a box, and you know, we all know he could use the money. Well, he needed the money, as a lot of us do. So he got rid of it. These controllers, I've sold one of these. I have two. I had two in my store. I sold one, and I sold it for $75 plus shipping. So it was like 80, 85 bucks. Somebody pulled out of their pocket to just buy one of these. So this is, let's just call it, for quick sale and quick math, 75 bucks a piece. So another 150. So we're at about 200 to 220. Add another 150. Because like 75 bucks guaranteed. That's a good price for these. So we're at 200 plus 150. We're at 350 already, potentially 375. Oh my gosh, look at this aux cable, bro. Dude, luckily I'm busting this. Okay, I'm definitely not going to sell this as a set. Definitely breaking it down because I want this like 97-foot aux cable, bro. Let's go, dude. And I said that a couple times, but I'm very, very, very excited. All right, looks like we got some wires. Here's just like some random cables for power. And then we're actually coming up to some of the most valuable part of this whole system. I think that goes to that link station. And then we have these over here. So these are mounts 1 and 2 right there. What's that? Some kind of part for this. I think this may be for the link station. And then these right here, ladies and gentlemen, are called HTC base stations. Hey, what's up, y'all? These are called HTC base stations, and these are the 1.0 base stations. These are the first time I've held these because the one I had the Gen 1 headset, but it had the base station 2.0. You can tell it's a whole different shape, the other ones. But the other ones sell for $200 a piece, and I had 2 of them. One was broken, one was not. I sold one for $200 that worked, and the broken one I still sold for like 75 bucks. That's how expensive these things are, and quickly too. So these ones, since they're the 1.0, they're actually about, they're like $100 a piece. So this right here is $200, right? These, and then with the mounts too, maybe even spring a little bit, but I'm probably gonna put them on $199 free ship, or I may do, $99 free ship for each. But realistically, guys, and the reason I drove a half hour to go get this is because all I have to do is sell these 2 components right here, and that'll get my initial $200 investment back that I paid the guy for, and then that'll be $200. And then here's pretty much this will all be profit then. The 2 controllers. So that's $150, right? And we're in profit now. So $150. Let me just organize some of this. $150. What next? $150. This will be another $150 to $200. So we're at like $300. And then also the link station, which is like 60 bucks, right? So 200, was it 300, 360, 460, 560. So roughly $560 in total components in this box that I picked up for 200 bucks. And it's video game stuff. You guys can go ahead and check the sell-through rates online and everything like that, and you can see that this stuff sells. So guys, if you ever see HTC on Facebook Marketplace or anywhere like that at a good deal, I would pick it up. I mean, and I've done a lot of research since I ended up with one of these, seeing if I really did want to pick it up, and it really does look like HTC. It's like the pinnacle of VR gaming, but again, it's a little too advanced for me. I'm down with my other way. I'm down with the PSVR and with everything, with all my other video game stuff. So let's go up and here, I'll show you how I got these, how I have the other ones listed real quick. Hang on one second. Alright, guys, and here we are. Oh, hi, Charlotte. Oh, how's my eldest kitty? Oh, yes, you're pretty kitty. Good, Charlotte. Yeah, keeping my inventory safe. I got some Pokemon, baseball, and here we are. HTC Vive, VR, parts, accessories, controller, headsets, da-da-da-da-da. And this box was full before. Let me get us to a table real quick. Ugh. So this box was full before, and all I have left here is the headset. And I'm probably going to go and drop the price to that, because like I said, I have it 200, it's still sitting, I have watchers and stuff, so I'll probably drop 25 bucks. HTC Link box, I still have one of those, and one controller. But if you look at all the stuff that's missing, I'm missing a controller. I had a headset that was like an earphone that went around your ears and stuff like that. And then the base stations. So I sold quite 2 base stations. So this is just the remainder parts, you know, and I'm definitely already in profit for these too. So, and I'm really digging these HTC Vive, these HTC stations, whatever. Yeah, just wanted to show you guys that move real quick, that flip. I'm trying to think if we should do some, show you some of the listing process, or honestly, I'm probably just going to bring it over here. I'll list it up. Maybe we'll show some of the solds or something like that. Let's see. And okay, here we are. I figured I'd show you guys a little bit of my store. While I was just gonna show you guys some of the solds of the stuff I already did sell. Look at that, 31 days, guys. You guys can do it too. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. And this is like a second store too. This wasn't even the main store. But let's see, listings. Wait, dude. Let's see, sell. And then orders. And then, oh yeah, see, just sold this. Nice. Picked this up at Walmart, where I got it right here, actually. Look at this guy right here. Picked this up a couple days ago, $7 clearance aisle. Sold it for a quick $32. And then, let's see, paid and shipped. Let's go over, I guess, some of the sales. You guys can just observe. I know the video's not the most organized, but trying to figure out how I want to lay out these reselling videos like this. But here you go. Here's a bunch of the sales for the past little bit. There we go. So November 15th, right there. One HTC Vive controller, and it just has the wrist strap. Let's see. Let me just go to bring up the listing. $73.99, and then they paid $7.95 in shipping right there, and then that's it right there. So like I showed you, the controller, the cord, the brick, that's one of them. Let's see if I can get to the base station. That shouldn't be too far away. There we go. All right, yeah, here's another cool one I'll show you. So here's the base station. Look at this base station, 4 parts, as you can see, and somebody gave me 50 bucks. They offered me, I think I had it listed for like 60, and they offered me 50 plus paid shipping, and it was that base station. Yeah, and then the other base station I did sell for 200. but there was, I don't know, there's eBay said to like not ship it for some reason, because I don't know, the person, they have some history that looks a little sus or whatever. And then here's another part that I sold. This one actually did not come in the new set that I purchased, but as you can see, if we follow it down, boom, they gave me $62.81 for that one. And yeah, this was part of the other set I had. Like I said, this is like, I guess, an extra attachment. You don't need it. You can have this instead of having to like hook up headphones and stuff like that. I mean, it's pretty neat. It's okay, I guess. $50-$60 headphones. But yeah, that's some of the sales right there, guys. Just wanted to really show you guys, let you know that, you know, I'm not just blowing smoke up your guys' heinies. And you know, that I'm really doing what I'm showing, and that I'm really practicing what I preach. You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? How do I just go to my overview history today? And here's my store as of right now. $29,000 listed, 358 items. But that includes like multiple listings though too. So, and then our stores have been going through a bunch, but really trying to just take the listing part to a whole nother galaxy. You guys seen it, man. You guys seen the 3K in the last 30 days. You know what I mean? Like that's enough to keep you from a job. That's enough to keep you from not having to go work for the man, you know? So, all right, guys, there you have it. There's my Valve Index, Valve HTC Vive, whatever, dude, whatever the heck it is. There it is. That's how I bought it, man. You guys can do it too. So I started my day with just looking on Marketplace, found that set, went and picked it up. It was only 20 minutes away. Get it listed. You guys saw the sales, and that's pretty much how that's gonna turn out. You know, if you have something that always sells, and you can look through the sell-through rate and see when you look at the sold listings and you see that it sells, if you have that item, the only thing stopping you from selling it is your price. Or, you know, you can always lower your price to be the lowest, and you'll most likely sell it first. But if you want to hold out, which I do sometimes too, if you believe you have a product that's better quality than the rest, the other ones can't compare to what yours is, and you believe yours demands that higher price, then you can go ahead and keep your high price and hold and sell it that way too. You know, you have options. But yeah, like I said, those things, you saw the data, it will sell. Just got to get the pricing right. So thank you guys so much. I appreciate you guys sincerely. Thank you so much for stopping by. Again, my name is Nick at Nick, and thank you for stopping by the Odd Oddish or Regions Resale, whichever channel I put this on. But having said that, you can check out them both. And again, this is your boy Nick and Nick. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. And guys, just stay positive, man. Keep it pumping, keep it moving, keep it grooving, and that way you know what you're doing. This is your boy Nick and Nick signing out. Oh yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe, hit that like button down below with just a little flickety flick flack of a thumb. Join the conversation, join the journey, and I look forward to joining you guys on your journeys. Thank you again. It's your boy signing out. Shout out to the real ones. Dragon Ball Damn Matt, what up? Late.